Hey all, and welcome to another quick help security video. We're looking at Hikvision Intercom again today, and we're going to show you how to add a Wi-Fi screen to your existing intercom system. Okay, so this can be a new install, an old install. I'm assuming you already have a screen installed and you want to add a second one using Wi-Fi. I'm going to show you how to do it. So first thing is, we obviously will not be using PoE for this, so we need to get the little cable that comes within the pack and attach a power jack to it. And we're going to go attach this to here. Okay, and now we're going to power on the unit. Right, there you can see it's powering on already. Okay, so the one different thing I'm going to do, apart from in this video, which I haven't done in the series, is we're going to attach this screen to the network that we have existing instead of using the one that I've created. So I will have to hide the password when we log on, but apart from that, it's going to be, this setup you can use for new installs, old installs, just adding a screen to a system. Okay, it's really easy. So just wait for it to load. Okay, so use the same password you do for most of your intercoms. Okay, obviously I'm gonna have to hide this, I'm afraid, guys, because I'm using our existing intercom system. Okay, so I've entered the password and you just go okay. Okay, so we've got to select next. Okay, we don't have to enable DHCP because we're going to be using Wi-Fi, so we go next. Now we have to enter in the registration password as normal. So, okay, so then we go okay. All right, we can just go next. We don't need any of this because we're going to be having to activate the Wi-Fi first. Okay, so we go to settings. And then we go to Wi-Fi here on the right, enable. So click on no Wi-Fi, and then there's our Wi-Fi. I'm just going to add in the password. Okay, so then we go okay, and now we've connected to the Wi-Fi. Okay, so now we've connected to the Wi-Fi. Yep, it's gone gold. That's what we want to see. We go back, and now we go to settings. Okay. So configuration, now I'll put in my password. Now we're going to make the screen an extension. So it says indoor station, no, we're going to make it extension. Okay, go okay. It's going to reboot, kind of. Just go back to the beginning. So then we go back again, configuration. Okay, so we go okay. All right, now it's an extension. Now what we have to do is link it to our main intercom system. Okay, so we're going to go here, and this is indoor station here. No devices found. Oh, okay. Okay, there we go. It's found 2 devices. Okay, so I can add it to either one of our systems we have here. Okay, I'm going to add it to this one. We just click on it, and then it should link it to that system. Okay, so then we go back. Okay, so now it's got indoor station and IP address. Perfect, that's what we want to see. So we go live view, click on here. Oh, something's gone wrong. Okay, it just took a second there. You see it's working now. I'm going to go ring the door station, make sure it's working, and then we're all done. Try that once more, guys, just because I think it was on the live view. Once more. Well, you see it's ringing anyway, guys. I guess sometimes the live view might not work because you're on Wi-Fi, but that's the problem with Wi-Fi, guys. So obviously we recommend doing a wired install, but that's how you do it through Wi-Fi. Thanks for watching, guys. Check out the whole series we have on this below if you're interested, or at the end right now, and hopefully catch you in another one. Cheers, bye.